Hi students, welcome to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe. In this video, I am explaining the solution of exercise 3.3, question number 16 to 20 of chapter 3, Trigonometric Functions. Question number 16, prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. See here, you can observe here that by seeing this one, this is in the form cos c minus cos t. So we can use the formula cos c minus cos t to find out this one. Whereas here we can use the formula sin c minus sin d. So now here let us take the LHS and let us apply these formulas. So here we have cos 9x minus cos 5x. So for this, I am applying this formula and here there is a negative sign. So here C is 9x and D is 5x. So here we get the answer minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2. So that is about this one where I have applied this formula. Next again for this I am applying this formula. So I get the answer 2 cos 17x plus d, that is 3x divided by 2 sin 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So now here just add these values minus 2 sin 14x divided by 2 sin 4x divided by 2, 2 cos 20x divided by 2 sin 14x divided by 2. So after cancellation here 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 10s are and here 2 1s are 2 7s are. So I get the answer minus 2 sin 7x into sin 2x divided by 2 cos 10x into sin 7x. See here we can cancel sin 7x and sin 7x as we have this value in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Next here you can cancel the value 2 also. Then the remaining value is minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x which is equal to RHS. Next here we will see the question number 17. The question number 17 is prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. See first here you need to identify the formula, which formula we can use. See this is in the form sin c plus sin d and this is in the form cos c plus cos t. So we can use these two formulas. So now let us apply the formulas. LHS I am taking here. So for this I am applying the formula this one sin 5x plus sin 3x. Apply this formula. So here C is 5x and D is 3x. So we get 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Then divided by, next for this apply this formula where here C is 5x and D is 3x. So 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So now here I get 2 sin 5x plus 3x 8x divided by 2. This is cos 2x divided by 2. Then here 2 cos 8x divided by 2 into cos 2x by 2. So we can cancel the values here. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 get cancelled here. Then 2 1s are 2 4s are. So I get the answer here 2 sin 4x into cos x divided by 2 cos 4x into cos x. So now here we have cos x as well as cos x. So this one will get cancelled and this 2 also we can cancel. So the remaining value is sin 4x divided by cos 4x. And we know that sin by cos is tan. So we can write this one as tan 4x. The answer is tan 4x. That is equal to RHS. Next here we will see the 18th problem. Prove that sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y divided by 2. So now here first identify the formula, which formula we can use. See this is in the form sin c minus sin d and this is in the form cos c plus cos t. So here we can use these two formulas sin c minus sin d and cos c plus cos t. So now let us take the LHS. We have this LHS. So for this, I'm applying this formula. So where here C is X and D is Y. So we get the answer 2 cos X plus Y divided by 2 into sin X minus Y divided by 2. Then for this, apply this formula. So 2 cos X plus Y divided by 2 into cos X minus Y divided by 2. So now here we have same values. So this one you can cancel cos X plus Y divided by 2 and cos X plus Y divided by 2, and this 2 you can cancel. So the remaining value is sin X minus Y divided by 2 cos divided by cos X minus Y divided by 2. Sin by cos is sin upon cos is tan. So I can write here tan X minus Y divided by 2. That is equal to RHS. Next, 19th question. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. See here, we can use the formula sin c plus sin d for this, and for this cos c plus cos d. So now let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. So now here we have here sin x plus sin 3x. So instead of writing like this way, just to rearrange, first you write the bigger value sin 3x plus sin x. Even you can do the calculation with this one also, but when you do here c minus d, x minus 3x means you will get cos minus 2x. But cos minus theta is cos theta itself. So later you can change, or here itself you can make the changes. So now here I am exchanging the value. I am writing this one as sin 3x plus sin x. So first apply the formula, this one for this. So 2 sin 3x plus x divided by 2 cos 3x minus x divided by 2 divided by, here for this apply this formula. So 2 cos 3x plus x divided by 2 cos 3x minus x divided by 2. So now here this one become 2 sin 4x by 2 cos 2x by 2 divided by 2 cos 4x by 2 into cos 2x by 2. So here we can cancel the values. So after cancellation we get 2 sin 2x into cos x divided by 2 cos 2x into cos x. Here 2 cancels, and here cos x and cos x we can cancel. So here we get sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Sin divided by cos is tan. So here we can write tan 2x, which is equal to RHS. Next here we will discuss the problem, question number 20. Prove that sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. So here for this you can use the formula sin c minus sin d. Then what about this one? This one you can solve in two ways. See, we have here sin square x minus cos square x. You can write by using the formula also. See, we have sin square x minus cos square x. We know this particular formula. We can use this particular formula to find out the value of this one. And here we can't use the method a square minus b square, because if you use that method, then it becomes sin x plus cos x, and then sin x minus cos x. And we don't have the formula for this. We have the formula only for the same trigonometric ratios, sin and sin, cos and cos. So that's why you can't do like this way. So instead of that, you use the formula cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So now let us take the LHS. So first what I will do is, as here we have x and here we have 3x, I will just remove this minus sign out, because here we have cos square theta minus sin square theta, but here we have sin square x minus cos square x. So that's why I am taking this negative sign here. If I take negative sign from this, then this will become plus. So sin 3x minus, this plus become minus, so sin 3x minus sin x divided by, again from here also I will take the negative sign. So if I take negative sign out, then cos square x become minus cos square x become plus. So this become cos square x minus this plus become minus. So we get here sin square x minus sin square x. Now this minus minus will get cancelled and we get here sin 3x minus sin x divided by cos square x minus sin square x. Now for this use the formula sin c minus sin d, and cos square x minus sin square x, we know this formula we can use now, which is nothing but cos 2x. So now if I apply this particular formula, I get here 2 cos 3x plus x divided by 2 sin 3x minus x divided by 2. So divided by cos 2x, this is nothing but cos 2x. Then here this one you can simplify, 2 cos 4x by 2 into sin 2x by 2 divided by cos 2x. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and here you can cancel the value. So you get here 2 cos 2x into sin x divided by cos 2x. So this one you can cancel. So you get the final answer as 2 sin x, that is equal to RHS. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor to get more regular updates. Thanks for watching.